Hello. Yes. Allah offer. Thank you.
Oh, look at this guy. Third generation, mate. Third generation. Is one of these your uncles?
Sorry, sir. Sir.
जी मैं ऐसे आऊँ
One more, sir.
एक बार देखते हैं
Yes.
like a Canon this was like a good zoom lens panoramic lens
No, just a normal.
just a normal lens Rock, I like the fact that you have these lovely little hobbies, you know.
This is again, again see how they put the house here. So they got a flowering. Again, you can see nature and best flowers coming out.
Do you touch your photographs up in any way? As
This is another interesting one.
whereabouts? So this is
Village.
closer to the Austrian border.
Head of
Okay.
quite, I mean, I don't Switzerland back on my hand.
Okay, yeah.
I wanted to show these guys in Switzerland for something more than banking.
I think, yeah, it's like after your show has me.
So you see all the houses here are crooked. They are tilted. They're not main straight. So that the snow flows over. So that it doesn't.
It must be gorgeous during winter as well.
It's full of snow.
This was roundabouts. I've been here.
This is where the James Bond movie
Yes,
was shot.
I've been here. I've shot out here.
Oh, really?
This is
This is Jung From.
yeah, shot here.
But this is my take on life because this is the darker side of life, and then it has a little happier side.
Nice.
The happier side is smaller,
Nice.
shorter,
Nice.
but it's so deep that it overcomes the darker side. So this is the contrast of again the clouds, the sky, clear sky, very different to get a clear sky
Yeah.
in Switzerland with snow and all that.
I like both. Happiness comes in small doses.
Yeah, but it stays forever. It kind of impacts you for a longer time. All the little things in life you want to nice.
Good shadows, yeah.
See the shadows, see the clouds,
This is around.
see the sharpness of the
This must have been either 9 in the morning or 3 in the afternoon.
This was 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Sharp. Good shadows.
God's vanilla company.
Outstanding.
Just fresh snow, dollars of ice cream. So this is vanilla. We just put a little bit of hot chocolate sauce, a little bit of hot chocolate sauce.
Oh, nice.
This is where you change the paint from. So here I use the red lights only with all the colorful nature.
Just living in places like this itself must be like so.
That's why it has got the second highest life expectancy in the world.
Strangely, I wonder why Japan. But Japan has its also nice places in the country.
This is Gruyere from where we get our cheese. Okay, friends, I am taking Zahid around the exhibition and I am explaining to him what each photograph is. So maybe I do it through the mic so that all of you can get a feel of this. Okay, so this is Gruyere, right? And this is where one of the world's best cheese is made. Gruyere cheese, which you all enjoy very much. What I like about this picture is that it's got a 3D effect. Standing here, you feel that you're walking into the village. And to get to this village, you have to get into a, it's like a castle right at the top of the mountain. You walk all the way up. So it's just a kind of a 3D effect. It's as if you're just walking into the village. What I like about this picture. This is interesting that, the portable cassette player headphone Walkman was first tested in the world, St. Moritz in Switzerland. So Switzerland has a lot of other things as well. Here you can see the Swiss railways, very lively and very important in Switzerland. They say you can match your watch apart to the timing and it's like 8:23. Hi Pankaj.
Very well.
So these are the different, as good as it gets.
So we'll down.
This is again the cloud pattern which I like. And again, this year there was very less snow in Switzerland because it didn't snow even in February. So this is just patches of snow with a lot of rain and yet having the sharpness of the peaks and the clouds. The pattern of the clouds I like very much.
Yeah, lovely.
When you go to the south of Switzerland, you come into the Italian part. That's Escona. And from there, this is Lake Maggiore, which is one of the largest lakes in that part. It's about 60 to 100 kilometers, in. You can see the restaurant and, it's a Sunday Italian from Swiss suddenly turned Italian. So this is a little island which has a restaurant with us. This, of course, is the usual Jungfrau, having fun. And you can see everything around it. This is again a very nice.
Very nice.
This is Ascona, which is the south of Switzerland, where you always have a music festival every year. It's famous for the jazz festival in September. And again, all the boats go out. So what you see here is this is the jet ski, the ski coming back and this is being washed. All the boats are being washed. So this is just the steam coming. And because of the sunset over here, you can see the sun reflects the star. And you can see that the passage, the footpath looks part golden. You can see the reflection of gold here, you can see the reflection of gold here.
Really beautiful.
You can see this also,
Very well captured.
this white and this gold. You can see the shades of light.
That sun is absolutely amazing. That sun is so beautiful. How you captured it?
This is again right from the top of a huge height. And this again looks like a steam engine with the clouds coming out like this. And again, the whole thing is that everything around life always comes from sustenance. So, for example, all the time we used to have the Indus Valley, and there was a civilization, the Indus civilization around the Indus River. So here also you can see around the lake, the entire civilization is around the lake. Everything else is still barren, but all the little towns and cities all come around the lake. So I try to capture that with the city company. It's not, it's ahead of its corner. So these are of course just some wild flowers and which Switzerland is famous for. I had a beautiful picture which they have not shot it here, which is of a house. It's very interesting. If you look at the old Swiss houses, the balcony, the first floor balcony is always broader than the second floor. Why? Because the owner used to live over there. So he could look up at his, So this is what they do with their old trees which are dead. You can still paint them and still make it look interesting. This of course is
Kind of.
a white peacock there. And Ice Palace.
Yes.
And this is my modern take. Guys on the road but still on Twitter and Facebook. I mean, a couple, there's no interaction with each other. So we interact with the outside world, but we don't interact with each other, even on the roadside.
Even with such beauty in and around.
This is again where a lot of movies have been shot. This is again an island, which is a full garden. And they're all standing there. This is of course again Grindelwald, where the church seems to be coming out of the mountain. That's a typical Swiss house. These are typically Swiss, which kind of capture the essence of cobbled streets and how you have even high-end shops on cobbled streets. This is a little bit of again one of the gardens here. Beautiful kind of cobbled road going down and the trees covering the.
It's very interesting.
This was very interesting. And similarly, these are little crevices that I found over there. So that more or less takes us to the main Malti.
Is that better?
Come, Akshay, come. Hi, Parvez.
Hi, Doctor.
It's a marathon, but for good people you do it.
ये थोड़ा पार्टी है आगे असल अगर ना बेटे इंडियन न्यूज़ के
Thank you very much for being here. Over here. Zahid from Juhu, which is another part of the world again.
It's like Delhi.
Which is probably worse than Delhi.
Delhi in a car.
And, Pankaj here, and I have my friends from Goa who have come all the way just for this exhibition. And Australia, one more. Fiji Islands, even more. Yeah. So thank all of you for having come here. It's really very, very encouraging. And so I started photography when I was 53. a kind of a very difficult age to start and take up any hobby. But I want to make sure that, and I want to encourage other people who are of my age, that they should act photography. And I think over the years I have improved. I remember my first exhibition was in Citibank. And I thought if Citibank can sponsor me, then it must not be too bad. And then I had a very, very, Atul Kasberger, and all the money that goes to charity. And like this, it goes to. We've just come from an exhibition in Dubai, so we've also had to unveil one of our pictures. And just give it a tug, boy.
Are we ready?
That's it.
Let's go.
That's it. Here we go. Yeah. Thank you so much. May I now request Zai to say a few words?
Well, what can I say about Dr. Batra that everybody doesn't already know of? He's one of the most amazing gentlemen we have in this country, I would say. He's an amazing father, an outstanding professional, and hell yeah, a wonderful photographer. With Dr. Batra, I have to say that for photography, it's part of how you are as a beautiful person and what kind of beautiful eye you have and what moment at which you click a picture that captures the beauty of it all. And I can say that it's because you are a beautiful man, it's because you have taken so many initiatives towards helping people, towards charitable causes, and towards being an outstanding friend, father, that you are able to see the beauty in everything else with perspective. And for all of us, hell, even if we had to come from Australia, we would have come here for you. I don't know if everybody else knows this, but Dr. Batra is a hell of a karaoke singer. And yes, and he sings that also wonderfully. I think people will definitely have a run for their money when they hear him sing. And Dr. Batra, it's always been an honor to be with you in all these initiatives that you've done. Your lovely son Akshay, who's been your pillar of strength, and of course the third generation, who is always around and smiling and has got all the love in the world. So here's to Dr. Batra, a big hand for a gentleman, photographer, a doctor, and a wonderful person. Thank you for having all of us.
In India. So I'm very critical and I observe very carefully. So I must say Dr. Batra's photographs have magic, romance. Switzerland is romance anyway. And Dr. Batra is special as a friend because to go back 35 years is when I first met him during Junoon. And the stress of the world of cinema gave me, I don't know what, all kinds of acne or something. And nobody could treat it except Dr. Batra. It all just went away. So I think just being with him calmed me down and gave me the support. And Dr. Batra, as usual, when I ran my AIDS shelter, he came with his homeopaths and we tried to help the immunity build-up of patients, which it did. So homeopathy is something which, when my children were born who had asthma, he cured. My kids are now grown up, and my son, which he treated today, has just shot his first film. Did you know that? And the film is going to be released, so Dr. Batra will have now a star kid, another one. Thank you, Dr. Batra, and congratulations.
As everyone said, Dr. Batra is a multifaceted personality. Apart from being a very, very good doctor, he's a very passionate musician, because I look at him from the perspective of a musician. And when I was looking at all these paintings, there's certainly some kind of music in it, because every angle, every view which you have is positively very poetic and very musical. It's not just plain, stark picture of Switzerland. So I think ultimately it's his passion in whatever he does. I remember attending one of his concerts where he sang. And he sang in front of a full house, nearly about 1,000 people. And he has so much of magic in what he does that he had the whole audience dancing in the aisles. So that's what Dr. Mukesh Batra is. And I can certainly say that every picture positively tells a story, because it's not just plain picture, it certainly reflects his passion. And I wish him all the very best, many, many more such exhibitions, and I'm sure that you've gotten better and better over a period of time, and I'm sure you have you're going to even do even much better in the years to come. All the very best from the bottom of my heart.
It will be complete. My son doesn't say a few words, so I have to ask him to.
Really nothing to say. I'm extremely proud of you and all the good work that you do. And it's a challenge for not just me but everybody else in the team to follow in your footsteps, to really care for patients. And I think the biggest treasure that you've earned is such lovely, wonderful friends that come and say such lovely things about you. So extremely proud and happy, and just hope that you carry on doing this forever and ever. Thank you.
Hug from this side.
I
Yeah, better.
May I request representatives of the blind school to please come forward and receive a check. Come.
Is this your son? Chief?
Zahid, will you please present them a small token of our affection? Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, yes, of course, please.
हेलो मैं अपनी स्कूल की तरफ से डॉक्टर बत्रा फाउंडेशन के जितने भी लोग हैं, जो हमारा पीछे कार्यक्रम हुआ था 13 तारीख को, उन्होंने हमारे कला को पहचाना और जिससे हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, हमारे कला को पहचाना और हमको मौका दिया। इसके लिए मैं उनको धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा और मैं पूरे स्कूल की तरफ से उनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ और आगे भी ऐसे वो हम जैसे लोगों के लिए काम करें, ऐसी मैं आशा व्यक्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद सर।
Why? He's awesome.
Spoils him. You can do for them. Hard to give to. Wow, this is a nice one.
Thank you.
May I borrow this one? When I do open a college.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हम उसी के लिए रोल। सो शायद मैं देखा, बहुत ही ध्यान से देख रहे थे आप सारी पेंटिंग। क्या कहेंगे डॉक्टर बत्रा के नए शौक को, ये जो
ये कोई नया शौक तो नहीं है। जैसे डॉक्टर बत्रा पहले कह चुके थे कि 10 साल से ये करते आए हैं और ये 10वां एग्जीबिशन है उनकी। तो मैं तो जो भी चीज़ मैं देखता हूँ, हर चीज़ में प्यार है, हर चीज़ में इनकी नीयत इतनी साफ़ है कि हर तस्वीर में दिखाई देता है दूर दूर से। और डॉक्टर बत्रा जिस किस्म के आदमी हैं, वो अपने तस्वीर में दिखाते हैं कि जिस किस्म के वो फ़ोटोग्राफ़र भी है। और यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब कोई अपना हॉबी को इतना प्यार से लेता है, इतना सीरियसली लेता है और जिस तरह से अपना काम प्रोफेशनली डॉक्टर के नाते करता है, उसी हिसाब से वो प्रोफेशनली फ़ोटोग्राफ़र बनते हैं। और ये बहुत ही अनोखा किस्म का इंसान है, बहुत ही अनमोल किस्म का इंसान है। और मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि बहुत ही सबसे ज़्यादा जेंटलमैन आदमी बहुत कम होते हैं इसमें।
Thank you, Zahid.
कहा सब कि ऐसे जेंटलमैन आदमी बहुत ही कम होते हैं। फिर आपने कहा कि 53 की एज में ये शौक आया, मतलब ये नए शौक के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि सडनली ये आप 63 के?
नहीं, मैं एक फैमिली फोटोग्राफर आ चुका हूँ और मेरे लड़के ने कहा कि आप फोटोग्राफ्स तो अच्छी लेते हैं, तो आप उसको बढ़ाते क्यों नहीं अपने शौक़ को। तो 10 साल पहले मैंने इस शौक़ को बढ़ाया। मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट मिला मेरी फैमिली से और ख़ासकर मेरे बेटे से। और इसी तरह मेरा जो पहला एग्जीबिशन है वो सिटी बैंक ने स्पॉन्सर किया, तो मुझे लगा कि अगर कोई स्पॉन्सर करता है तो हो सकता है कि मैं इतना बुरा फोटोग्राफ़र नहीं हूँ। और उसके बाद फिर मैं बहुत ही पैशनेट होकर कई फ़ोटोग्राफिक एग्जीबिशंस के लिए जहाँ पे भी मैं गया हूँ, एक दो समय I almost lost my life because I was very passionate about taking pictures and मेरा जो पहला एग्जीबिशन था वो हिमालयज़ में था और मेरे आगे की जो गाड़ी थी, एक मारुति वैन थी, उसके ऊपर व्हील्स थे एंड बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो था, तो वो वैन जो थी वो गिर गई और सब लोग मर गए एंड द कार वाज जस्ट हेड ऑफ मी। और फिर 4 दिन तक मैं वहाँ पे कुफरी में जो है मैं 4 दिन तक स्नो बाउंड रहा। तो मैंने कहा स्नो बाउंड हूँ तो क्या करूँ, तो मैं अपना कैमरा लेके मैं फ़ोटोग्राफ लेना शुरू कर दिया। सो दैट वाज एक्चुअली माय फर्स्ट एग्जीबिशन, और वहाँ से फिर आज तक एक लंबा सफ़र रहा है, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं ये कर पा रहा हूँ। और ये जो कॉज है हर समय जो मैं करता हूँ, हर सिटी में किसी एनजीओ को जाता है। यहाँ पे जो है ब्लाइंड चिल्ड्रन है, जो भी हम इस एग्जीबिशन से हमें मिलता है वो सब जो है वो चैरिटी को जाता है। एंड आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट थिंग ओवर हियर इज़ के जिनके पास आंखें नहीं हैं वो देख नहीं सकते हैं, पर जिन लोगों के पास आंखें हैं अगर वो उनके लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करें तो इट एक्चुअली इम्प्रूव्स देयर लाइव्स सो मच।
डॉक्टर बत्रा, इंटरनेशनली कितना इसे आपका प्लान है बनाने का, इसे फ्यूचर में आप इसे कितना और इम्प्रूव करेंगे और किन किन लोगों को अपने साथ जोड़ेंगे?
मैं कोशिश तो कर रहा हूँ कि इसे हम और बढ़ाएं। अभी हमारी ये एग्जीबिशन जो है दुबई भी गई है और बहुत अच्छा एग्जीबिशन इंटरनेशनल हुआ है वहाँ पे, और मैं ये सेकेंड ईयर था। मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं इसे और फॉलो करूँ, और हो सकता है तो दूसरे देशों में भी लेके जाऊँ।
मैं एक ही और चीज़, शौक से शौकीन हो गए हैं। हाँ, तो अभी मैं भी ऐसे ही सोच रहा हूँ कि हम भी अगले एग्जीबिशन में कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करें डॉक्टर बत्रा के लिए।
फिल्म भी आ रही है आपकी शराफत गई खेलने?
जी, फ़िलहाल शराफत गई तेल नहीं आ रही, लेकिन फ़िलहाल मैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं करूँगा।
तो बताना चाहेंगे आप तैयार हैं? ये जो लुक है शायद उसका लुक है?
नहीं, मतलब लगभग उसी का लुक है, लेकिन 16 जनवरी को आ रही है, तो बस दिलचस्पी से मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ और आप सबके लिए बनाई है।
आपको भी इंतजार है सर इनके?
बिल्कुल, बहुत आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा कि जाहिद जो है इतने अच्छे इंसान हैं, और मैंने उनको इसलिए चुना एग्जीबिशन के लिए क्योंकि ये बहुत दिलदार आदमी हैं। यानी मैंने इतना अच्छा ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है आज तक देखा नहीं है, और मैं इनसे बहुत ही यानी प्यार करता हूँ, बहुत ही मैंने इनसे फैमिली फ्रेंड है और मैंने इनके साथ समय बिताया है, और इतनी वार्मथ और इतना जो अफेक्शन है जो ये देते हैं वो बहुत कम स्टार्स में मिलता है।
बातों में हम दोस्त बन गए।
थैंक यू, हमने भी बहुत सुना इनके बारे में।
Oh, there we go.
Give you my card or anything. I just want to say hello because Abana is specially.
Oh my God, Abba.